Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to use the sum function in Excel. So let's open a blank workbook. So we will enter the names of few students and their marks, and then we are going to find the total. So name, then the subject maths, English, French, and science. Now a few random names. And now their marks. Now we'll find the total. So for finding the total, instead of having to add all these, we can use the sum function. So always while using a formula, we should always start with an equal to. So we'll enter an equal to, and what we want to do is add these all values to find the total marks of maths. So we'll add them. So equal to, and now we're going to use the sum function. And now we will select this cell address because we want to add these values from this cell to this cell. So we will enter a cell range. So this is the first cell from where we want to add it. So B2, now colon, and now we want it till here. That is B6. And now close the bracket and enter key. Now let's do the same here. Equal to, now sum function, and choose the range. Enter. Now if you don't want to enter the sum function again and again, then you can use something called a fill handle. So what you can do is bring your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it till where you want. Now it will automatically find out the sum of this range that you want automatically. You don't have to do it again and again. So now you can give it some formatting. And if you want, you can give it some borders. So that's done. So in Excel, we can find the sum of few values very easily in a very short amount of time. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more notifications for my upcoming videos. Bye.